Hi! Today we're going to be working on a drawing exercise that's really fun, the blind contour drawing. Now this drawing exercise is about the process of drawing and trying to get you to really see the objects you're drawing. So often in life, we'll go through life and someone will say, let's say draw a flower. And you go ahead and you do your flower, let's say, that you've learned how to draw, and that's it. Now, some flowers might look like this, but not all flowers do. So what we're trying to do with this exercise is get you to really look at the objects so that you become more familiar with their shapes. And if you can try to draw those intricate, interesting shapes as you see them, your drawings will become so much better. So these drawings are supposed to be pretty quick, 2 minutes tops. Sometimes when I did this in college, my professors would time us. You only got 5 seconds, you got 10 seconds, and just to get us to move and draw quickly. But there's no time limits on this, but there are a few rules, and one of them is you can't look at what you're drawing. Now that might seem a little bit crazy to some of you guys, but trust me, this is an exercise that will get you to be better artists. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your pencil or a Sharpie, whatever you choose to use, somewhere on the paper, and you're not supposed to lift it up. You're supposed to draw whatever you're drawing by connecting the lines together, making a contour drawing. So I have a jar of flowers here, of some peonies, and I'm going to start by drawing that mason jar and then try to draw the flowers, and I'm going to try to make it pretty quick so that you can get on with your art lesson. Okay, I think I'll put my pencil down here, and here's the jar, let's say. Coming up here, maybe the jar goes over and over. Okay, I'm going to start to draw some of these leaves now. Now, a lot of these leaves are just kind of smushed together, so I'm not sure how to get them all in there. Now, these flowers have a lot of really ruffly edges, so I'm going to try to portray that with some curvy and shaky lines. There's another one. Now, I can't lift up my pencil, but I kind of want to go over here. So you just kind of have to connect the lines. And like I said, this isn't about this drawing, but this is like putting down the effort towards the next drawing that you could do when you're going to be more familiar with this jar of flowers. Kind of like doing a drill for soccer or practicing scales for your instrument. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done. Take my hand off. Does it look like a jar of flowers? You know, you might say a little bit. But now what you can do is go on to do a different drawing, but you've become so familiar with these flowers now that you're able to draw something even better. So you can find anything to do this blind contour. You could do your face, you could do your hand, you could do a bicycle, an instrument. Try not to do your phones because they're just a rectangle. It's not going to be very interesting. Try to find interesting shapes so you can follow along with your eyes. And do it once without looking, at least once. Sometimes more than once is fun. And then try to do one and allow yourself to look and show them to me. Okay, good luck.